Are you tired of hearing that there are no jobs in Nigeria or that you have to travel out to make money? That's a big lie. If you have 1 million naira or even just 50,000 naira sitting in your account, that money can start working for you right now, right here in Nigeria. Because in this video, I'm going to show you 5 smart ways to turn your small capital into steady income. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video so you never miss out on money-making secrets. Welcome to Money Secrets, where smart Nigerians learn how to turn small capital into real wealth. Let's get straight to it. Number 1. E-commerce with local arbitrage. Now, don't let that big term scare you. Local arbitrage is actually one of the simplest and most profitable ways to make money. And here's how it works. Imagine this. You have a small shop in your neighborhood selling shoes, clothes, or food items. But instead of waiting for customers to walk in, you take your shop online. You use your phone or laptop to show people your products. They see what you sell, choose what they like, pay for it, and you deliver. But here's the game changer. You don't even need to own a shop. You don't need to stock any products. You're simply a smart middleman. Here's how local arbitrage works. Go to local shops around you, big markets in Lagos or any major city near you. Look for hot, fast-moving products like gadgets, kitchen tools, beauty products, or even fashion accessories. Negotiate good prices with the shop owners. Take clean, attractive pictures of the products. If the shop owners already have pictures, great. But if their pictures are not clear, take your own. Now you have nice pictures of these products. Here's where the magic happens. Master Facebook and Instagram ads. And that's not a big deal. It's very, very easy. You can learn that. There are tons of videos on YouTube to learn how to set up ads. Once you've mastered how to run Facebook ads, you are good to go. Next is to pick a profitable niche. Don't try to sell everything. Just focus on one hot category. It might be kitchen tools, gadgets, fashion accessories, or automobile accessories. Just pick one niche and focus on that niche. All you need is your phone, your negotiation skills, and your ability to post online. And you can make millions of naira. Number 2. Let's talk about thrift business, Okrika. Have you ever heard of thrift business, or what we call Okrika? Most people think it's just about selling secondhand clothes. But let me tell you, it's way more than that. It's a secret gold mine. Let me break it down for you. What exactly is thrift business? It's simple. You buy secondhand clothes from places like Lagos and Aba at super cheap prices. I'm talking 700 to 2,000 naira per piece. Then you turn around and sell them for as high as 12,000 naira or more, depending on your location and how well you package them. But here's the secret. Packaging is everything. You see, in this business, it's not just about the clothes you buy, it's about how you present them. Don't just buy thrift clothes and dump them online looking rough. Buy your clothes, wash them properly, iron them neatly, and fold them nicely. Package them in clear, branded poly bags or even colorful wrapping. Take clean, stylish pictures. Don't use a dark, blurry background. Make them look classy. How to sell faster and make big profits. Post these neatly packaged clothes on your WhatsApp status, Instagram, or Facebook. Don't just post one boring picture. Use a video, use a carousel of images. Write catchy captions. Here's the best part. Learn how to run Facebook and Instagram ads. It's not hard. There are tons of free YouTube videos that can teach you. Run ads targeting your city or even other big cities. With good packaging and smart ads, that 50,000 naira can turn into 200,000 naira in 1 month. Don't overthink it. Just start. Forget the idea that you need millions to start a profitable business. Thrift business is for anyone who can package well and sell smart. So, are you ready to turn small money into cool cash? This is one of the smartest ways to do it. This business is perfect because you don't need a shop. You don't need huge capital. You don't need any complicated skills. All you need is your phone, a bit of creativity, and your ability to present your products well. Number 3, food business, but not what you think. When you hear food business, your mind probably jumps to opening a food joint or hawking food around, right? But that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about something smarter: packaged foodstuffs and meal kits. Wait, what are packaged foodstuffs and meal kits? Let me explain. You know those busy working class people, families, bachelors, the ones who never have time to go to the market. They want to cook, but they hate the stress of buying foodstuff. Now, imagine being their plug, the person who supplies them with neatly packaged, ready-to-cook food items. You buy rice, beans, yams, sachet tomatoes, spices, all in bulk. You package them in smaller, clean, attractive portions. You create different combos like a jollof rice kit, beans and plantain combo, or family soup pack. You add your price tags and you're ready to go. Why is this a smart business? People will always eat. No matter how tough things get, food is a necessity. Busy people love convenience. If you save them the time of market stress, they will pay you happily. How to start this business? 1. Advertise yourself. Let people know you are their surest plug for meal kits. Use your WhatsApp status, Instagram, Facebook, even word of mouth. 2. Buy in bulk. Go to the market and buy food items in large quantities. Focus on non-perishable items. Portion and package, then set your prices. Stop overthinking it. Just start. There are people right now who would rather order a soup pack from you than stress themselves in the market. So why not be their plug? The fourth business we will talk about is perfume business. Let's be real. Who doesn't love to smell good? Whether it's a date, a job interview, a party, or just a regular day, everyone wants to smell fresh and attractive. But here's the thing. Most people can't afford those big, expensive designer perfumes. That's where you come in. But wait, don't just rush in. First, do your research. Before you start selling perfume oils, you need to know what you're doing. You're not just selling fragrance, you're selling confidence, luxury, and a little bit of happiness. Here's what you need to research. 1. Which perfume is feminine, masculine, and unisex scents? 2. Difference between oil-based versus alcohol-based perfumes. 3. Which perfumes stain clothes? 4. The best scents for your target market. Young people usually love sweet, fruity scents. Working class professionals love classy, woody, or musky scents. The next thing is to find a good supplier. Look for trusted suppliers who sell quality, long-lasting perfume oils. Test their products yourself, then package well and sell on your WhatsApp status, Instagram, and Facebook. Like I will always say, learn how to run ads. It will give your business a huge boost. This business is one business that is guaranteed to making you a lot of money when done rightly. The fifth business is online content creation, your digital goldmine. This is the final point on our list, and it's a game changer. Online content creation is your digital goldmine. If you've been paying attention lately, you must have noticed something. Everyone is moving online. You see people starting YouTube channels, creating TikTok content, running Instagram pages, and even building faceless brands on social media. Do you know that anytime you watch a video, anytime you like a post or share a reel, someone is making money? But here's the big question: why aren't you part of it? Welcome to the digital world, where attention is money. Right now, the internet is like a massive marketplace, and your content is your product. But here's the kicker: you don't even need to be on camera to make money online. 2 smart ways to make money with online content are: 1. Start a faceless YouTube channel. This is one of the hottest ways to make money online, and you don't even need to show your face. Pick a niche you're passionate about, like fitness, motivation, finance, storytelling, true crime, or tech reviews. I mean, just anything you are passionate about. Use AI tools to help you create content, and when your channel grows, YouTube starts paying you in dollars. 2. Become a digital content creator for social media. Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook are full of people looking for engaging content. Create an account around your interest: fitness, cooking, beauty, money hacks, or even storytelling. Use short-form videos, 30 seconds to 1 minute, to capture attention. Post consistently, use trending sounds, and watch your account grow. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through sponsored posts, selling your digital products, and offering social media management for businesses. The digital world is the new money-making space. You can create content once and keep earning from it forever. So, there you have it. These are the 5 side hustles you can start in Nigeria now, 2025. Thrift business, packaged foodstuffs and meal kits, perfume reselling, digital product sales, online content creation. Now tell me in the comment section, which one of these side hustles would you love to start? Or are you already doing one? Let's talk. And don't forget, I have something special coming up for you. Watch out for my next video on another smart business idea that can make you millions. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my money-making secrets. See you in my next video.